Hi guys, my name is Eric from Budget Made Simple, and today we're going to go over my January 2021 budget. So let's get into it. So for paycheck number 1, I made a total of, let me make sure I'm on the right. Okay, so I made a total, it was $1,400. Paycheck number 2, another $1,400. Other income total was $790. My rent was $750. And the cell phone bill was $0 this month. State Farm is $160. That's my car insurance. 1.12. Healthy Paws, which is for my dog, is $28. Health insurance for me is $350. My employer does not provide health insurance. It sucks, but oh well. We all need it. Restaurant is $100. Gas is $120. Groceries is $200. Spending is $150. Pets is $40. Subscriptions is $29.96. So the total for that comes out to be $1,928.08. So moving on to debt. You know what? Let's go ahead and write January right here before I forget. Okay, so for debt, we have, these are the payments that I've made this month. So for Quicksilver, that is $35. For Capital One, I actually paid $150 because I am almost done with that. First Premier, I paid $45. City, I paid $75. For Best Buy, I paid $60. For Bank of America, I paid, what is that? I believe that was $40. Barclays was $55. Walmart was $40. And PayPal was $75. So that brings a total to $575. All right, so we add our income to this. Our income was, the total of our income is $35.90. Our total for expenses and debt comes out to be $2,463.08. So what we have left over is $1,126.92. Okay, so we're gonna go over the debt tracker. So the minimum payments, I'm gonna go over that in a separate video, but I'm gonna show you guys what I actually paid, which was what we just went over. So that is $35 here. I paid $150 here. For Quicksilver, First Premier was $45. City was $75. Best Buy was $60. So B of A was actually $40. Barclays was $55. Walmart was $40. PayPal was $75. So the total of all these, what we went over, was $575. So the balances are, as of right now, 35, 21 for Quicksilver, Capital One. Okay, First Premier, 249.12. City is 85. Best Buy is 865. B of A, $1,066.05. Barclay is at 1,610 on the dot. Walmart is at 770.97. PayPal is the monster, 2,423.00. The total of all that is $7,160. And yes, so this is where my debt is at, guys, and I'm working hard to pay this off. And yeah, in looking at everything, what we have left over is, let's do this in green, is $1,126.92. I do not do a zero-based budget. I will have a buffer left over in my account, and we'll go over that right now. So additional spending, I did spend an additional, I believe it was an additional $300 on just random stuff. I went over a few of my budget items. So additional spending, and it's a mixture, it's just like a catch-all. I spent an additional, and let's make sure this is red. I spent an additional $300 here. I just rounded up, so it's 300. For taxes, I put away an additional 500. And then for my savings, I'm putting away 300 went to savings. So the total for all of this, total leftover, is going to be $26.92. And that is what's going to stay in my checking account. All right, guys. And again, I get paid, you know, this is gonna be added on to my next paycheck, and you guys will see that. So yeah, okay, so we just went over my January 2021 budget, and I do budget differently, and my budget is very simple, but I do keep a buffer of $500 to $1,000 in my checking account at all times, just to give me peace of mind. So I hope you guys like my content, you guys like my videos, you stick around and you subscribe, and you join me on my debt-free journey.